Alright boys, we're going to be fishing a private pond, or private property pond. We're going to use a good old chatterbait. I got to make it fast, I'm probably going to get kicked out. Let's see. Let's see if we can make these casts. I don't know if there's fish here. We'll find out. Oh, on! It's on, baby! It's on! Woo! First largemouth. Damn. Oh yeah. Oh no! 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 Well, there goes my clothes. Oh, say, Jesus. Nice little guy. Not even close to a pound, I guess. Off the chatterbait. Let's get it, boys. Oh. Off the black and blue chatterbait. Oh man, he destroyed that thing. So, there's definitely fish here, which I'm liking. Oh yeah. He hit that one right off the side right here. Let's see if there's any more. Oh geez. Of course. Oh, another one. Little guy right here. Damn. Wow, there's a bunch of dinks here, huh? Well, better than catching nothing, right? Oh my God, this is a big one. This is a big one. Oh, this is a big one. Oh, this guy's big. Oh, oh yeah. Oh yeah, this guy's a fucking monster. He fucking choked that, boys. Woo. That's a solid 2-pounder right there. I would say close to maybe 2.5. Big chunk right here. Trying to show my girlfriend. Woo! Good fish. Look at the head on that thing, huh? Alright, let's let him go. Ooh. Wow. Yeah, it was like a 2.5. It wasn't huge. Oh my God, I wasn't recording. Oh no, I am recording. Another one, baby. That's on. That's on there. Woo! This pond is absolute fire, boys. It's not that big, babe.
But you can't even fit here.
Woo! That's like another 1 pound. Guys, I am slaying. So all you need is a chatterbait, a good trailer. That's it. Babe, I need you to do me a favor and go get my backpack, please. My trailer here is not looking too hot. Huh? She probably doesn't even care about her job. She's like, fuck it, he can fish here. I don't give a shit. Boom, boys. That's it right there. Let's make a stealth move. Get low, guys. Walking, she's in that car. She don't see me. I'm going lower. All right, boys, we're good right here. Oh yeah. What the heck? All right. Oh. Oh God, I thought that was a fish. But I got snagged. I thought that was a big one. Jesus. What am I stuck on? Alright, boys. What the fuck? I think I might have to go in the water. I'm not losing this chatterbait. No way, Jose. Yep, this is probably the weirdest shit I've ever done. I'm not losing this jackhammer. Oh yeah. Oh, I feel it. Oh, I feel it. Can't believe I did that, but I got it, boys. Chatterbait rescue mission. Dude, my girl's gonna be so pissed. We got it back though. ZMAN Chatterbait. Oh shit. Alright, let's keep, oh shit. Alright, let's keep fishing. So there's definitely some sort of mat at the bottom that's like I can't let it hit the bottom completely, or else it will take my chatterbait. So I can't let it hit the bottom all the way. What's going on? Oh, there we go. There we go, finally. There we go. Another small little guy. He had choked that shit up. Nice little dude. Oh, whoa, whoa, oh, what the fuck? Dude, this guy hit it right at the shore. Whoa, oh shit. Hey, hey, buddy. Oh God, I'm playing soccer with this guy. Oh, Jesus. Hey, stay, yo, Jesus, quiet. No, Jesus. Oh, well, that's like a solid 2 or maybe 1.75. Jesus Christ. My God. He literally hit it like right there. Oh. It honestly scared the crap out of me. Huh. Let's see if I could split this in half and just use one. Let's see if that would do anything. Doesn't hurt. Look at that. He has one leg. There we go. See the action on this. Still feels pretty good. Oh my God, on. I'm on, guys. First cast with the new trailer on. Nice. Oh, that's a nice guy too. Not bad. Not bad. Same size like the others. Not bad. First cast. Okay, so that trailer really does make a difference on action and everything. Wow. Okay. Yeah. Biggins. There's another one. Yep. That's a nicer one here. Oh yeah. Definitely a nicer one. Yeah, compared to the other guys, that's definitely nicer. Wow. Wow, their teeth is really, really sharp.